I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You've got the interpreter installed. Now open your project and go straight to Settings or Preferences. Once there, choose Project. Name on the left to reveal Project Interpreter. Click the gear icon to add or show available interpreters. Use Add to point to a system interpreter, virtualenv, conda-env, or pyenv-shim. Make sure you pick the correct Python binary path so packages remain compatible. This first step puts you in control of which interpreter the project uses. Once the interpreter dialog is open, use Add to create or register the interpreter you want. If you need isolation, choose New virtualenv and point it inside your project. If you use conda, select conda environment and pick an existing env or create one. For remote work, choose SSH or WSL and provide connection details. After selecting or creating the interpreter, verify the displayed Python version and paths. Then click OK or apply Pycharm indexes. After applying the new interpreter, wait for Pycharm to finish indexing and set up helpers. Then run a simple script or your test suite to confirm behavior. If imports fail, open the interpreter settings to install missing packages or use the integrated terminal to pip or conda install them. If things go wrong, verify the exact Python binary path, ensure Python path or environment variables aren't conflicting, and check file permissions. Resolving those usually fixes interpreter mismatches and restores predictable project execution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.